Hi, Dr. Steve Diasio here from the School of Creativity and Innovation. I'm looking forward to our workshop on Friday, and we'll be using science to improve the art of business relationships and how to build high-performing teams. As you know, in today's leaderships roles, you're not just managing tasks, you're creating a culture through managing its chemistry. And in our session, we'll do exactly that, a deep dive in Deloitte's business, chemistry, and the lens to understand how different work styles work together seamlessly or clash, or how we can better and more uh, effectively work with groups and teams in those moments of decision, pressure, and conformity. And before we meet, I have a short infographic that I would like you to check out in a 13-minute podcast all around the Corporate Explorer. This will be the foundation to help us see the lens of our roles as innovators within St. Pete College and building new ideas, products, services, and ways to improve our business. And as a corporate explorer, there are some opportunities and challenges in that, and we want to understand our role there. And the business chemistry lens that we'll be unpacking in our workshop will help expand upon that. So I'm excited for this workshop. Look forward to meeting you in person and see you on Friday.